I've been marketing online for over 17 years. Back then in 2002, I started an e-commerce website called easylighting.co.uk. 5 years ago, I sold the company. The success of the company was due in no small part to my Google Adwords campaigns. I now run Google Ads campaigns for companies in the UK and America. Over the next few weeks and months, I'm going to give away all of my best Google Ads tips and tricks so that you too can be successful using Google Ads. I'm not going to make you wait for my top tip. I'm going to give that away in this video. So keep watching. So what is my top tip for Google Ads in 2020? Well, it's stop using broad match. Use phrase match and exact match only. Why? Because one of the most important things you can do with any marketing is to be specific. You will have a much better chance of raising your quality score of your keywords by keeping your keywords as targeted and specific as possible. This is virtually impossible to do when using broad match. I initially used broad match in my campaigns, but soon found I couldn't get the conversion rates high enough. I've tested broad match a few times over the years, but I always end up switching them off. That's it for my first video of 2020, and I really hope you found it helpful. If you'd like help with any of your Google Ads campaigns, why not give me a call? Come on, let's have a coffee.